few months ago when I was flying to Talladega, I didn't know it at the time, but I literally crossed paths with fellow YouTube creator Mile High Firebird. Seth flies all over the country towing banners for a living. He makes some really unique content, and he's one of my favorite flight vloggers on YouTube. Go check out his channel, Mile High Firebird. Don't forget to like his content and hit that subscribe button, so every time he releases a new video, you get to check it out.
Morning, everybody. Let's go get some breakfast. Feel like going to get some breakfast, buddy? 5? Get a little more enthusiastic. Act like you're into it. Come on. There we go.
12994, Nash Tony, 20 center at 06, line up wait.
20 center, 06, line up and wait. 9994.
November 994, turn left heading 110, runway 20 center at 06, clear for takeoff.
20 center, clear for takeoff, and heading 114 for 9994.
110, 110.
110, 9994. Over departure, 994. And departure 129994 with you through 1300.
12994, National departure, radar contact. 0994, turn left heading 090.
Left 090, 994.
12994, is my navigation 11 and altitude your discretion.
Low navigation, 994.
So while you're enjoying the scenery of this short hop from Nashville to Lebanon, I thought I'd take this time to just kind of give some updates about the channel and projects that are going on in the background. For starters, next Friday I'll be departing for Oshkosh and spending 5 days wandering the grounds of Whitman Regional Airport. I'm really excited to get up there, spend some time with fellow aviators. If you see me walking around on the ground, stop by, say hi, we'll take pictures. I've got stickers to give out. I'll also be taking orders for custom shirts and hats while I'm on site. You can also go to my website, wheelinthesky.com, to view every vlog and review episode, buy your own custom Wheel in the Sky gear, or get in touch with me and share your aviation story. I can't say thank you enough to Nashville Flight Training for all the support that they've given me in these videos. And I'm very proud to say that 12994 is part of the Nashville Flight Training fleet. Anyone who's interested in flying this airplane, get in touch with Nashville Flight Training and they'll be happy to set you up with an instructor and get you in the air. And one last note for everybody, I've started a content creator-centric Patreon campaign. I'm not really looking to turn this into some kind of profit method for the channel. I'm really just looking for an opportunity to share in the expense of reviewing products, testing things out, and seeing as a collaborative effort among creators what's really out there, what works, what doesn't, and sharing tips and tricks for how to make better videos. It's not something I want to have to pitch in all of my videos or berate my viewers to try and convince them to pay for this stuff. So I just wanted to pitch it this one time, but that's as far as I want to go with it. Thanks for everybody that does subscribe. and I'm looking forward to what we can do.
Air 1294, finds you have 11 in sight, and there's at least 4 in front of you and possibly 2 more in front of you for 11. She's caution.
Yeah, 994, we got the field, and we'll watch out for traffic.
Air 7 show golf, radar service terminates, squawk via 4, change to advise, use caution for traffic inbound 11. Air 994, radar service terminates, squawk via 4, change to advise your frequency approved.
994, see you on the way back.
Backyard 4746, Nashville, expect visual approach runway 2, show left.
You can see the cab 7 miles to the south, inbound 1,500, Lebanon.
Lebanon traffic, 7 Bravo Hotel, flight of 2RB, turning crosswind, Lebanon 19.
Alright, start landing this way.
11 traffic, Springwood 10 Bravo Whiskey, turning final 19.
Cessna 4253 uniform, 5 miles northeast, inbound Lebanon, and 1800.
And 11 in traffic, Cessna 12994, 7 miles southwest, inbound, entering from the upwind leg for 19.
Lebanon traffic, Cessna 45 uniform, 2 miles east of the field, turning to enter downwind from 19.
And 11 in traffic, 12994 is 2 miles to the west of Lebanon. Going to be entering a extended upwind leg.
7 Bravo Hotel is turning base, 19, number 2.
Tango is turning final 19er. Lebanon traffic, see the code 3 Romeo Yankees joining downwind runway 19er. And the aircraft on a low downwind, what's your call sign?
Lebanon traffic, 758, Bravo, turning base, 297.
And 11 in traffic, 12994, now just to the south of the field, about 3 miles following the Cub and the other traffic into downwind.
Traffic, Gully 7 to go, number 3, behind the 1, just turned left base.
And 11 in traffic, 12994, and left downwind, runway 19.
Little Oshkosh.
11 traffic, Gully 7 to go, left base 19, number 3.
11 traffic, White Moody is left downwind 19,
Big up line? Okay, cool. Why don't I do that?
11 traffic, 86 Lima, extended downwind, number 3, Lebanon.
Lebanon traffic, 3 Romeo Yankee Yellow Cubs, finals 19er, Lebanon.
And 12994 behind the sky lane, extended left downwind, 19er, Lebanon.
11 traffic, Skyhawk 86 Lima is turning final.
Skyhawk, Skylane.
Full stop, Lebanon.
And 12994, left base, 19er, Lebanon. Yeah, 12994, final 19er, number 2, Lebanon.
11 traffic, Fernando 16 Delta is about 6 miles to the south, and we'll be maneuvering full downwind 19er.
11 traffic, Roman 9254, Lima 10 to the south, inbound Lebanon.
11 traffic, Quiet Moody, next mile, number 19, number 2.
Traffic, Skyhawk 86 Lima is down through there.
Flying breakfast is probably one of my favorite parts about flying. It's just such a fun way to have an excuse to go flying, sit down with other aviators, and talk shop. While small airports can have a lot of traffic and it requires a lot of vigilance, being mindful and communicating well prevents any kind of incidents for these type of events. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also check out this week's linked video from Mile High Firebird.